In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a store, product, and categories to your Weebly website. Let's dive into this quick and straightforward process to getting your online shop up and running in no time. First, you'll want to head over to Weebly. When you arrive on the home page, look for the login option at the top. Clicking that will bring you to the sign in page. Enter your email address and click next. After that, go ahead and type in your password and click login to access your Weebly account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the overview page. This is essentially your dashboard where you can manage your websites. Now, to start setting up your online store, you'll need to click on My Site. Here, you have an option to add a new site. Simply click on Add Site. You'll be prompted with different options, so you'll want to select I need a website with an online store. After that, you're ready to name your store, something catchy and relevant that customers will remember easily. Once you've entered the name, click Continue. Next, Weebly will ask you a few questions to fine-tune your store setup. Select your answers and make sure you indicate what type of products you'll be selling. It could be anything from digital products to physical goods. Click Continue after making those selections. For the address prompt, you can choose to skip it for now and address it later if needed. When you've completed the initial setup, head over to your new store's site. Here, look for the Add Item button. Clicking this will let you create a new item for your store. Fill in the details about your product, including the item type. You can do this by clicking Change, then selecting the appropriate type for what you're selling. After that, upload images of the product, give it a title, and set the price. You should also add a detailed description to help customers understand what they're purchasing. Making your product visible is crucial. Be sure to enable visibility to ensure it's available for your customers to buy. Additionally, configure how you'll fulfill the orders, such as shipping methods, and input shipping weight if applicable. Adding a stock keeping unit or SKU can help you track your inventory more efficiently. With your product details sorted, move on to optimizing for SEO. This enhances your store's online visibility, bringing more potential customers your way. Once you're done with the setup, don't forget the important step of clicking Save to keep all those hard-earned settings intact. To further organize your store, you'll want to go to the Items section and click on Site Categories. This is where you can add categories to sort and group your products. Click on Add Category, then create a clear and descriptive title for it. Afterward, choose the items you want to include in this category. Once your items are selected, hit Done. You can also add a category image and select layout options to enhance your store's presentation. And just like products, make sure to optimize each category for SEO. Once you've set everything up to your satisfaction, remember to click Save, and that's it. Your Weebly store is now equipped with a product and organized categories ready to take on the online marketplace. Enjoy your new venture and happy selling.